Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this short video, I will install Angry IP Scanner on the Linux using the deb file, launch it, and run a few example scans, and you can see how it works on a practice. So after this, I will explain common fields. You will see IP, hostname, ping time, open ports, and how to export results. So to install the official angryip scanner, you need to enter this website angryip.org. There is a download, and if you press the download page, you can see like this. And download the for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and you can free to install the on the Linux, on the Mac OS, and also Windows. So in the Windows, you can see I don't know. Yes, there is exe file of the IP scanner. In the Mac, how it works? Mac Intel and Mac ARM. Maybe I'm pronounce it true. So we need the Linux version. Download the version this below version release and older releases. I need a deb package because I use a Kali Linux and I need a Debian. That's why press it. After that, you can see there is a install of the deb file. Installing via terminal. So open your terminal and go to your downloads folder. So I'm actually in the downloads folder, and then I need a sudo privilege to install this dpkg. Sorry, dpkg minus I and deb file. Install the deb file. So it's installed successfully. So once installed, the package will add Angry IP Scanner to your application menu. Let's check it. After the installing, you can launch Angry IP Scanner from your applications menu. And after the installing via terminal, and you can launch the Angry IP Scanner from your application menu and type here Angry IP Scanner. Yes, it worked. And in here you can see the IP range of this to scanning. And if you don't want to this range, you can just randomize it or get the IP addresses from your text file. I need the IP range. It's a simple and powerful, I think. So hostname is local and netmask is netmask. I don't know. I don't want to change this. So by this you can see the IP, ping, hostname, and ports. If you want to more, near the start button, press it and features. And if you want to do something, well, for example, adding MAC address, go to like this. Yes, it's working. And also what I need, HTTP proxy, MAC vendor, web detect. Yes, I need web detect, filter ports, comments. No, I don't need it. So it's good. I think I need only web address and web detect, and MAC address and web detect. Sorry. So you can see MAC address, web detect. Just started. After the setting, this IP scanner uses ARP protocols to detect the all device from the network. For example, mm, Android local, I detect that, and also one Android detect local. So it's a scanning completed. Total time 19 seconds. Average time per host 0.008 seconds. IP range is like this. Host alive. Yes, 7 is alive. With open ports is 2. So I think I need the ports. Sort by ports. This to one is the open ports. Was one is the Apache on the Apache. And what should I do with this? So you can see here all is worked. If you want to get more results, just change this IP range like 0. Yes, I need a new scan. It may take some more time uh, than the past because it's a 12, sorry, 12 twice bigger distance. So I don't like to waste more time. That's why I will stop it because I have already sorry because I have already scanned all hosts on my home network. Scanning complete and close it. So if you want to save these all results, you can just go to the where scan export all. Yes, you can just export all this by the txt file and documents. Sorry, download music. Yes, I just want to export this to the music. So all is exported to my music folder by the untitled txt file. So let's check it. Open folder. Uh, I need a desktop. Yes? No, I don't think. Pictures, videos, pictures. Yeah, music. Yes. Open folder. I need a yes. Here is my untitled txt file with some IP range exported. So you can see it's working and like a written generated by angry IP scanner. There is their uh, website, scanned time, and scanned the distance. Yes, there we go. So I wanna make a note, sorry. And the scanning networks, and by scanning networks, you don't own your own or don't have a permission to scan be illegal and or violate terms of service. Only scan your own network device you manage, or networks where you have been explicitly authorized. Yes. So don't judge rules. So that's it. Angry IP scanner is very fast, I think, and it's a lightweight tool for discovering hosts and open ports and a network. And if you like this quick tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to get more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.